Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will explain the electronic configuration of chromium. Electronic configuration of chromium is different from its expected electronic configuration. Atomic number of chromium is 24. This is expected electronic configuration of chromium that is based on off-power principle. And this is actual electronic configuration of chromium that is based on experimental results. The difference between the two is in the configuration of the last two subshells 4s and 3d. According to the expected electronic configuration, there should be 2 electrons in 4s subshell, whereas actually it has only 1. According to the expected electronic configuration, there should be 4 electrons in 3d subshell, whereas actually it has 5. To explain this difference and the reason for this difference, I will draw the orbital box diagram for these two subshells. First, I will draw according to the expected electronic configuration. 4s subshell has 1 orbital and 2 electrons will be present in the form of a pair. 3d subshell has 5 orbitals and 4 electrons of 3d will occupied singly in 4 orbitals according to the Hund's rule. Now I will draw the orbital box diagram according to the actual electronic configuration. 4s subshell has 1 electron and 1 orbital. 3d subshell has 5 electrons and 5 orbitals. These 5 electrons will be occupied in 5 orbitals singly according to the Hund's rule. Here you need to understand what kind of subshells are more stable. There are two types of the subshells that are more stable. Number 1, half-filled subshells, and number 2, completely filled subshells. Because in these two cases, electrons are distributed symmetrically in the orbitals. Now come to the electronic configuration of chromium. According to the expected electronic configuration, there are 4 electrons in 3d subshell. If it had one more electron, it would become a half-filled subshell and hence more stable. So to attain this stable electronic configuration, it borrows 1 electron from 4s subshell. This transfer of electron is possible because the energy difference between 4s and 3d is small. When this happens, 3d becomes a half-filled subshell and hence more stable, and if you look at the 4s subshell, it is now half-filled subshell and it is also stable. So this is the reason for the exceptional electronic configuration of chromium. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.